What is going on, everybody? It is Audacity Trades here, back at you with another video teaching you how to make money in cryptocurrency. So today we're going to be talking about, in my personal opinion, one of the real true ways to earn passive income. Now, by passive income, I'm not talking about something like a rental property, which has forms of passive income, but in all actuality, unless you have a company to take it over, it's not entirely passive, right? If something breaks, they're calling you, you're calling a plumber, you're getting it taken care of, right? It still falls on you. You still have to do it. This way that I'm about to show you today is how to make passive income with cryptocurrency. And all you have to do is one simple step in the beginning, and then you will just reap the benefits. You don't do anything else after you set this up unless you want to take out your money. Other than taking out your money and starting this, it does all the work for you. You do nothing. You sit back and you collect a check. Before we get started, I will ask for you guys to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Get a little gram in there, but smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It definitely helps the video, helps the channel, and we are trying to grow. Also, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell if you haven't already. You want to be notified every time I post videos. So what you guys are going to want to do is go to PancakeSwap. Now, I want to let everybody know it doesn't matter how you do this. It doesn't matter if you do this on a desktop. It doesn't matter if you do this on mobile. It doesn't matter if you do this through your Trust Wallet browser on your Trust Wallet app. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how you get here. You will understand a little more when we go into this. So you guys are just going to want to search up PancakeSwap. Again, however, whatever means you have to search it up, you click on PancakeSwap, and then you'll see this is the website. Now, if you already have a wallet with Cake in it, or some other cryptos, you're going to want to connect it, right? You hit this right here. You can either connect to MetaMask, Trust Wallet, all these I'm not super familiar with. Trust Wallet and MetaMask are by far the two biggest ones that are in the game right now. So if you connect your wallet, you just click on this, boom, you should be connected up here. When you see a bunch of random numbers and letters, your wallet number up here, your wallet ID, that's how you'll know you're connected. Now, if you don't have a wallet, if you don't have one of these wallets, then you're going to need to go ahead and make one. I have videos talking about Trust Wallet. I don't have a video talking about how to set up Trust Wallet, but if you're on iOS, I do have a video talking about how to get the browser in Trust Wallet, because you have to go through an extra step. But anyways, once you get your wallet set up, you're going to want to come over to here, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to purchase some Cake coin right here. You guys can see $16.40. So you guys would hit trade, you'd hit exchange, you take whatever crypto, doesn't matter, BNB, ADA. You guys can see all of these coins you guys they have here that you can convert to other coins. So let's just keep ADA, and you'll go in here, you'll search Cake, boom, and then you type in however much ADA you want to swap for your Cake. Wow, look at that. That is a lot of Cake, and that's also a lot of price impact. But anyways, you go through, you add whatever you want to trade for Cake. Doesn't matter what it is, but you trade for Cake, get your Cake, make sure the Cake is in your wallet. Then you'll come over to pools down here. And I did make a video talking about this. I did make a video talking about auto Cake and manual Cake. If you guys want to see that video, it is the last video I posted. I recommend you guys go watch it. But I did say I was going to make a video talking more in depth about this. So with the syrup pools, it has made it so much easier to invest your money, to stake your money, to earn passive income. Now you guys can see here, you have your manual Cake and you have your auto Cake. You see manual Cake, the APR is 86% and the APY on auto Cake is 133%. Because this is manual, this is automatic. Basically what that means is this, and as you guys can see, all indicated here. As we go down, you guys see manual, 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 manual. These are all manual. I actually don't think there's another automatic reinvesting one. I don't think so. I don't know 100%, but I don't think so. Well, APR, this is what will happen if you put, I don't know, however much. Let's just say 1,000, right? Because we're going to go to this calculator and we're going to show you guys kind of what's up. So if you go to this right here, this is Cake per 1,000. This is saying that if you put your money in here, you put $1,000 worth of Cake, And keep in mind, it does fluctuate. So sometimes it'll go down, sometimes it'll go up. It goes off the price of the coin over here. So this is cake per 1,000. You will earn 0.14 cake per day. And then after a week, you will earn a full cake. So guys, if you have $1,000 in here right now, that means every week you are earning 1 cake. So you're earning about $16 right now. And again, keep in mind that when this number goes up, this was at, I think 40 something dollars a few weeks ago before this crypto dip that we've had. So instead of this being 16, this was 40 something dollars, right? 1 week, do it again, guys. You do nothing. You literally actually do nothing. This is truly passive. Think of this. You could put some of your savings in here and just have it work for you. So after 30 days, you're going to get 4.4 cake. So that's a month. That's a month. That's nuts for doing nothing. And then this is your APY. So in a year with $1,000 worth of cake, it will make you 83.38 cake. Guys, that's a 136.89% return. I don't know where else you're getting that for literally doing nothing. I mean, guys, you are essentially talking about you're putting your money somewhere and it more than doubling itself. It more than doubling itself in a year, as long as the price stays relatively stable, as long as it stays around this area, you know, between, let's call it $12 to $16, you are literally doubling your money for doing nothing. And then if we look at the auto cake, what this does is when you start compounding, it automatically, when you start earning cake, right? Because like I said, when you get paid, you don't get paid in dollar amount, you get paid in cake coin. As we've seen over here, you see this is how much you earn. So this is how much you're earning right here in cake. You don't earn a dollar amount, you earn in cake, which in my opinion is much, much better than the dollar because this has a chance to continuously go up. So if we go look at the auto cake, what it does is every time you make some cake, I believe every, I don't know, couple hours or something like that, it will automatically reinvest your cake that you earned and reinvest it. So your balance keeps increasing. So if we go over here and look at this, you guys will see the same kind of thing. But again, this is automatic. You really don't have to worry about it when you put it in here because it will automatically just keep compounding and compounding and compounding and compounding. So keep in mind, this right here, this is per $1,000, right? So you start out with $1,000, even if the coin stays exactly the same, doesn't move at all. If you have $1,000 in here, well, guess what? After 7 days, this will be $1,016. And then another 7 days, it'll be $1,032. Do you see what I'm saying? So it constantly keeps compounding and makes you more and more and more and more and more money every single day, as long, again, as the price stays around the same. So that is those. But you also have all these different ones, right? These are all different coins that you can stake to earn money. Now, by far, the safest one is going to be cake, right? You only have to worry about one variable here, which is cake. That's it, right? One variable. Now, to explain these better, what happens with these is it's the same exact thing. You guys can see the APR. If we look for, I mean, 125%, that's pretty nutty, right? I mean, come on. Look at it. This is the year. 250%. I mean, that's pretty nuts. 250%. So if we look, let's see if we can find one higher than that. Let's see if we can find one higher than 25%. 125% does not look like it. Just trying to quickly search here. So anyways, let's do VRT. Okay, this is the top one up here. Let's do VRT. If we look at VRT, 365-day APY, 205%. Guys, that's nutty. But as you guys see, VRT per 1,000, and you guys are like, huh, this looks a lot different than this. This is cake per 1,000. Well, what happens when you stake your cake? Okay, so when you put this cake coin into this, instead of earning dollar amount or earning cake, you are earning VRT. So what now, if you're looking, every 1 day you're earning 495 VRT. You're earning 495 VRT for nothing. Now, as I said, these are riskier because now you have two variables, okay? Now, what I'm saying by that, what I mean by that is not only do you have to worry about the price of cake, because again, the price of cake will obviously depend on the price action, right? So if that goes down, you're not going to earn as much, right? You're not going to earn as much VRT if the value of your cake goes down. Well, if the inverse happens, if this does well or stays the same, but VRT tanks, you're going to earn VRT, but it's not worth as much. So in some of these scenarios, yes, this might look great, right? That 205%. I mean, this one was what? Let's see. This one's even higher. 250%. You might be like, oh my gosh, that is crazy. It is crazy. But again, you have to be careful because what if Calm tanks? What if I don't know, something happens, somebody doesn't like it, somebody tweets out something, right? We know the power of Twitter as of recently. So if somebody doesn't like this price could just tank. Calm could go to zero, not literally to zero, but you guys know what I mean, right? The price can drop significantly, essentially wiping out your gains. This is the problem with these smaller coins, right? As I'm sure a lot of you probably have never even heard of these, because to be honest, I haven't heard of almost any of these. Like, this is a pretty cool one. I've heard about this coin, but most of these, I'm sure a lot of you guys haven't even heard of, and that's the problem, right? Number one, not a lot of people have heard of them, and number two, what happens if they go down? Because they might be, I don't know. I mean, I'm not saying they're a pump and dump, but I mean, people could pump them up. Price looks good. Price looks steady for a while. People wait a little bit, dump all their coins, right? So when you stake cake, you only have one variable to worry about. That's it. That's it. One variable to worry about. It's very nice. It's very easy. It's very simple. And especially with the auto reinvesting. But if you guys want a little more risk, you guys can go here and you guys can stake your coins in any one of these and earn some pretty insane ROI. I mean, look at this. A 10% return. Guys, the average stock market return for an entire year, that's right, a year, is 7%. So the fact that you could get in 30 days almost 11%, that's nutty. So I hope this kind of helped you guys. I hope this opened some of your guys' eyes to the potential with crypto. Now, this isn't the only thing you can do this with, right? You can stake, if you want the safest thing humanly imaginable, you can do things like stake DAI coin and stuff like that. I believe even on CoinBase, don't quote me on that, but I believe even on CoinBase, and you'll earn 7% on your money. I mean, there's so many different things you can do with crypto to earn money passively. And I mean, truthfully, passively. Because like I said, I did bring up the renting thing. Yes, that's sort of passive. And yes, you do have to buy the house, but then you have to find renters. And then you have to constantly keep fixing the property if anything breaks. And then if they leave, you have to worry about, number one, them trashing the place. You have to worry about re-renting. With this, especially with AutoCake, you would literally click stake cake. If you have cake in your wallet, you'd click stake cake. You choose the amount. You put it in there, and that's it. You don't do anything. You just earn these rewards for nothing. And then if you want to take it out, you just click withdraw, and obviously the button will be different, and then you take it all out. That's it. The only thing with this is, as you can clearly see here, 0.1% on staking fee if withdrawn within 3 days. So it's basically saying, if you're going to just put your money in here and take it out in 3 days, you'll have a 0.1% unstaking fee. So however much you have in total, it will take 0.1% of it. So obviously, if you're thinking about doing this, then do it for more than 3 days, which is not that big of a deal. I don't think you should be putting money in here that you need like the next day. But if you do, you want to earn a little bit of interest, you can go the manual cake route. So that is the video. And I told you guys, no strings attached, no nothing, truthfully, passive income here. I really hope that some of you guys do this. I really hope I helped make some of you guys money. I really hope some of you guys take advantage of this and start earning passive income today. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe with the notifications on. If you guys want a bunch of amazing offers for things like Robinhood, things like CoinBase, things like Binance, all links in my description. There's a bunch of free money down there. I highly suggest you guys go check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the hell out of you, and we'll see you in the next one.